Hey, what's good, everybody? Hey, I was thinking this morning. I was writing some affirmations down. Like in the morning and evening time, I journal. Right, I do a journal. I've come to learn that me like downloading my thoughts onto paper or voice, like doing a mind dump of my thoughts and stuff like that. Man, it really helps me. Just kind of see where I'm at with my thoughts and so forth. So I've been doing that, and anyway, I was writing down some affirmations, and I was thinking, right? Like, do you believe that you can, like, so to speak, time travel, right? And I'm not talking about physically going into the future. I'm speaking in terms of if you are able to change your future, change your situation, elevate yourself. I think one of the most effective ways, and this is really, I mean, this is me from learning and observation from some of the books I've read, that you can do this effectively by one, if you were, and this is why imagination is so important, right? I love when people speed past you and they get to a stop sign, stoplight, and you're right at the same spot as they were. And then when you look over at them, they're on their phone. They don't want to look over at you. They're so in a hurry to go nowhere. So, for instance, imagination is so important, right? Because I think that's one of the most important tools that God gave us to time travel. And what I mean by that is this: you can use your imagination to visualize a place that you want, to be, or a person that you want to be, or something. You can go into the future, use your imagination to go into the future. One of the key things is emotion. You have to attach the emotion that you want, that you already want to feel. You have to feel it in the present. Once you attach that emotion with the imagination, with your imagination going into the future, and you attach your emotional state that you want to feel, and you can bring that back into the present. And that will effectively, if you do it enough times and you do it with your frequency being vibrating at a high level, you can ascend. That's how manifestation, or what they call the law of attraction, that's how a lot of that works. And I'm getting this from one of my favorite authors. One of the best books I've ever read is by Napoleon Hill, Think and Grow Rich. That's my second favorite. That book changed my life. Think and Grow Rich. I've read it multiple times. The Law of Success, a huge book. I've read that at least twice. And Outwitting the Devil is another great book. I highly suggest that. Another book that really changed my life is by James Allen, and that book is titled As a Man Thinketh. And that's a short, I'm gonna have to edit that out. That's a short book. If you could read that in maybe an hour and a half, and I've read it a lot. I actually have it on Audible, and I will play it often when I run. When I do a run, I'll put that on. It's about a 45 minute, and I've often played it twice in one run. And so I've listened to that literally hundreds of times. So anyway, so this knowledge is coming from, from things of that nature, right? And I say that to say this, is that me writing down affirmations, right, it's really helped me. It really has helped me, and just journaling. And what I do now, like, I think journaling is great. I love a combination of voice journaling, right, where you can brain dump. I've actually developed like 5 anchors, what I call them, that's really geared towards people who are entrepreneurs, investors, business owners, because what I found when I was journaling, I had a great journal, man. I would journal every day, but I just couldn't find the time to really do it because I'm working all the time. By the time I get to it or get home or something like that, and I'm wiped. My mental bandwidth is kind of exhausted. So by voice journaling, you can brain dump what you want. And then what I like to do is go back into my physical journal or a physical journal and write down what you have brain dumped, right? And by the way, if you're interested in doing a voice journal, I use a really cool tool or app called Anchor Journal Pro. That's anchorjournal.pro. And that's really cool, man. It's, like I said, it has business owners, entrepreneurs, investors. It's built around that aspect. And yeah, man, you have 5 different anchors to concentrate on, and it asks you questions like, where was your head at? Where was your head when you woke up this morning? Like, what was first thought of mine? Like, what mind state were you in, or were you in when you woke up this morning? It has a morning and evening mindset journal. So it's a really cool tool, man. If you are interested, definitely check it out there. I believe you can try it for free for like 14 days. And so, yeah, man, I was thinking about that when I was writing my affirmations. down and thinking about manifestation. It all ties back to some of these most prolific books, things that changed my mindset when I needed it most. So anyway, I'll see you tomorrow. I gotta get back to work. One love.